Hello guys, I know you've been asking some questions about how you can get to compress your videos, and these videos would get to retain the best of quality, all right, and then at the same time the size gets to be like lowered or decreased without losing the quality of your video. So now one of the tools that you can actually get to achieve this with is the HandBrake application. All right, so of course, once you're done with editing your videos either with After Effects or with CapCut, all right, after exporting your video, of course, and then the size of the video happens to be so large, okay, you can use HandBrake to actually compress the video. So first of all, in case you do not have the HandBrake application, you can actually head on to handbrake.com/downloads. I'll be leaving the link in the description, and here you get to download whichever version you feel it's best or suitable for your device. So we have for the Mac, we have for the Windows, and we have for Linux. Okay, so now of course, after installing the application, all right, you can just double click on the application, and of course you can actually drag in a folder or file. So I'm going to be sharing with you settings which I use to actually retain the quality of my videos. Okay, so right, you can actually open up File Explorer. So let me take for instance, so right here I can choose to drag in a folder into it. So but in this case I would like to import a video. All right, so okay, I have a video here which I've been working on, and let me put these in here, something else, I think something like this. All right, so okay, so here it is. Of course, you have the title, you have the presets. Okay, so what I do is that I go to dimensions. All right, for dimensions, if I want some cropping, I don't want some cropping, so I'll put it for none, as if some cropping, you want some cropping to happen to your video. As for me, in my case, I do not want it. And then go ahead to the resolution limit. So we are actually upscaling to 4K, so let's keep it to 4K Ultra HD. So after selecting that, let's head on to the next tab, filter. So filter for color space, I actually get to choose BT709. Okay, BT79, and then head on to video tab. Okay, for the video tab, we are keeping the constant frame rate. Okay, why? So for the frame rate, if you have, it depends on how you get to export the video in the first place. So if you you actually exported the video as 30 fps, that's frame rate per second, that's 30. Of course you can go ahead with 30, but if not 60. But in my own case, the video is actually 60 frame rates. I think there's a way you can get to see this. Let me see if this is there's a way you can get to discover the frame rates. So okay, somewhere here, let me go to details. All right, yes, you can get to this know the frame rate of your video by coming into the details tab. Details tab. So frame rate, I can see 60. Okay, so you get to set it accordingly, and of course constant frame rate 60. And now for the quality. Okay, now the quality, the higher it gets, constant quality, the higher it gets, right, the lower the video quality gets, and the lower the size gets. Okay, and the lower the constant quality gets, the higher the video quality, and the higher the file size. So in my own case, as for me, I set it to 8. I use 8, sometimes 8, sometimes 10, but most times I use 8. I set it to 8. Okay, after setting to 8, and then you can then go ahead and click on start encode. Start encode is going to render the video and then have it saved up to the file location. So if you are not satisfied with this file location, you can go ahead and click on browse and set your preferred file location. All right, and of course, just in case you have more questions about certain type of feature in the app, once you hover on any of the feature, of course it gives you information, based on what it does, okay, so that you can get to understand better. So that's just these are the settings I actually use to actually compress my videos and also maintain quality. So you can actually use this when you choose to upload your videos to social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and then maintain the quality. All right, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate you for staying through. Kindly like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you.